Would you like to write a song but don't know how? Stay tuned to find out! In my previous songwriting video, link in the description, I gave you an overview of how to start, but how do you actually start?
How do you start? How do you start?
Let's start at the drawing board, literally. So, there are 3 things in songwriting. You have the lyrics, the words you sing in the song basically. You've got the melody, which and you have the beat, or the tempo you should be playing in. I'm trying to demonstrate the beat there. Or if you're a nerd like me, that's sugar, spice, and everything nice. Did you get that reference? If you did, you know there is a 4th ingredient. Chemical X.
Ooh, spooky.
We'll get into it later, don't worry. Today, we're gonna learn about lyrics and how to make words into lyrics. So here I split this into 2 things. Either you know what you're gonna write about, which is great, or you have no idea what you're gonna write about. Here are some ideas if you're coming up empty. But sometimes it becomes difficult to find the right words. So I suggest just take out 5 minutes, put a timer on your phone, and just write. Just 5 minutes. You can do it now. Go, I'll wait for you. I hope you paused the video and did it. Anyway, now that you're done, either you wrote something, which is great, or you wrote nothing, which is also good. Now remember, if you wrote nothing, it's really very simple. Either you try again, maybe tomorrow when you're feeling a bit refreshed, when you feel a bit better. Or you could just take some more time, maybe add like 5 minutes or something, and don't worry, you can do it. Everyone can really, if you think about it. Now suppose you did write something. That's great, congratulations, you're basically a writer. Now, did you write 1 word? Good work, it's 1 word better than yesterday. This is me trying to basically rhyme things with word, bird, curd, absurd. This is something you can always use whenever you write songs to increase your number of words. Now, suppose you wrote 1 line. Maybe you're more gifted than you thought, eh? Which is really good. Now, let's move on to if you wrote a few lines. Literally a few lines. Okay, I'm kidding. So, if you wrote a few lines, that's great. You definitely are a writer. You could be a poet or a story writer. Who knows? There is another one though. I like to call this gobbledygook. It's basically when everything just spewing out and you're having an existential crisis and you're just breaking down and everything's flowing out and going crazy and blah blah blah. You know what I mean? And just words just explode out of you basically. Now if that happens, all you need to do really is just let it all out until coherent words flow. So every day you try, you'll get, more words or more lines, and a few lines will give you a whole song, and just need to differentiate it from gobbledygook basically. It's really quite simple. You just need to keep trying and you'll get there. If you need any more help, I'm always here to help. You can also join my songwriting class, DM me on Instagram for that, and I'll see you next week for songwriting. Alrighty then, goodbye, arrivederci, ciao ciao, bye bye, doodles.